Hey y'all, I just wanted to show y'all how to install your own wigs while we're all going through this pandemic. It's easy, and I'm pretty sure all of you can do it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with all the products that I showed beforehand. So right now, all I'm doing is cleaning my skin with the 91% alcohol, making sure that I'm removing all the excess oils from my skin. So when I apply this glue, the lace will melt right into my skin. And after you finish cleaning your skin with the alcohol, you want to go ahead and get the skin guard. Remember, I am using Ericka J's Hold Me Down glue and her skin protectant, which I love because it's the bomb. When applying your glue, you want to make sure you have thin layers in between each one. So what I'm doing right now, all I'm doing is thinning it out.
She gon' ride a dick like a bike. I ain't talking motorcycle. I got jobbers for days. Did some big ass rifles. Close your eyes, baby, you can see my right hand on the Bible. Close your eyes, baby, you can see my right hand on the Bible. I ain't gonna let a nigga trick me out with my character. Niggas play me 50, I'ma have them burst down. I ain't gonna let a nigga trick me out with my character. Niggas play me 50, I'ma have them burst down. Seen a lot of shit on my block, fucked up right now. I just want how to go back in the trap, break down pound. I done seen a lot of mamas cry. I done seen a lot of fathers cry. I done seen a lot of parents had to bury the kids. This is a real homicide.
Okay, now honey, you see I have my lace melted. It's growing out of my scalp, honey. All thanks to the Ericka J lace adhesive. Period. You see it?
I filled it up with brown. Tell me all your secrets, I ain't gonna tell you none of mine.
To get my wig laying extra flat after me molding it down, I use the hot comb, press it out real flat. Yeah, ooh, right there. Hit it like that, and you're good to go. In the comments below, I'll drop all the details on the wig that I'm wearing. This is a 360 lace frontal wig from one of my collections. I hope you guys like it. Bye.